Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the trunk liner if your vehicle has a messed up liner such as mine. It's no longer able to fit inside of the rubber to hold it in place. My battery cover doesn't stay correctly and this side is all messed up as well. So I'm going to be replacing it with some that I got out of a 9C3. So to do that, you're gonna have to start by removing the back seat. And to do that, it's easy. You just pull up on this side, pull up on the other side, and then pull it out as such. And then you set it off to the side. And then you got 4 bolts here to remove the seat upper. You can see, I'll point it out. You've got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here. Then you have 2 on the other side that you have to remove as well. They are 13s. Then the next step, you're going to go ahead, grab the center seat belt along with the passenger side seat belt, stick them up behind there. Same for this driver's side one. Stick it up behind there, pull, and then you lift up. Then it'll come out. Alright, so now on to the next step. You gotta remove these pins. Now there should be one here, here, right here, here as well, then here and on the top. When they rip all the police equipment out, they don't really care about who gets it next, so they don't really care about putting everything back. You'll have this piece. Go ahead, toss it in the trunk. See, here's 2 more pins that weren't put in right. Go ahead, pop those out. Then you go ahead, go to the back, and you should be good to go from there. All right, now that you're at the back, you want to go ahead and remove these screw-in cargo net holders. Set that off to the side. There will also be some push pins in here as well. Go ahead, remove all those. Remove the battery door, remove the center piece, throw it off to the side. To remove this piece, you just pull up. And then it'll come out. Set it off to the side as well. Go ahead, remove the center spare tire cover. From that point, you can go ahead and remove the trunk liners. Go ahead and toss those. Unless you're doing something else, you still need to keep them. All right, once you have those removed, you go ahead and you grab your new ones. Set those in. Go ahead and pop in all your pins. Put your rubber molding back over top of it. Should be good. Put your old floor liner back in. Scoot it back a little bit so that you can put your trim piece on. Line it up and then put it in the hole. Make sure it clips in. Put your rubber molding over the top. Pull your liner cover back over. Next, you're going to need your battery door cover. Alright, next you're going to go back to the inside of the car to finish putting those clips in. But here you can see how much better it looks. Nothing overhanging over here or here. Everything pushed in like it should be. Alright, go ahead, put all your pins back in for the inside. For the next step, you're going to have to put your center cover in, making sure that you put your spare tire cover back over it. Put your last two pins in, and then you're ready to bolt your seat back in. So go ahead and grab the upper seat portion. And remember, whenever you put this in, it hooks in from the top first. There. Hand tighten the nuts onto the studs. Go ahead and grab the seat bottom. The buckle's ready to go through. And it's good to go.